Kat here from the design room, and I'm going to show you how to DIY some destruction to your jeans. What you're going to need are a few key items. You're going to need sandpaper, 36 grit or lower in number. The lower the number, the stronger the grit on the sandpaper. I like to use the sandpaper that comes already on the block, but loose sandpaper will work as well, and you can get either item at your local Home Depot. You're going to need a pair of tweezers. You're going to need something to mark where you want to put the destruction, and you're going to need something to put in between the legs so that you're not going all the way through the first layer of the denim. I'm using foam core today, but you could just as easily use any magazine you have laying around. You can do this in any place on the jean that you choose, and any size destruction you want. It just depends on how much energy and effort you want to put into it. The best way to figure out positioning is put that jean on, mark the jean either with chalk or pins on exactly where you want to put the destruction, and then take the jean off and have at it. Now I'm taking my foam core, which could just as easily be a magazine, and I'm inserting it in between the layers of the legs so then I can protect the under layer of the jean. So I take my coarse sandpaper block and I start destructing the denim, and you're going to want to go horizontally on the jean. Don't be afraid to use your muscles and get into it because it's kind of therapeutic. You can see that the indigo is coming right off the surface of the denim, which is a good sign. You can get an electric sander to do this with a little bit more ease. So I've been working away and I feel good about the destruction area that I've created. I can stop right now and I'll achieve light destruction. Throw it in the wash, the dryer, and you're good to go. But if you want a little more destruction and to create a little bit of a hole, take a pair of tweezers and start pulling out the blue top yarn. The white yarns are the yarns that you want to try to keep in position, but if you break a couple of them, don't worry about it. It just adds to the more natural look of it. And the reason that I'm using tweezers is I can kind of get in and really easily pull out those little bits of blue yarns that will leave me with a very authentic looking little destruction patch. You can keep doing this as much or as little as you want. So now I've got my jean to where I'm seeing a lot of the white thread here, feeling good about the amount of destruction that I've created. Next step, throw it in the washer and dryer, and all those loose threads will just disappear in the laundry, and then you'll end up with a great looking destructed jean.